huge fan of social media. I think social media is an amazing way to communicate with people. It's an amazing way, especially if you're a celebrity, to put your point of view across, and for the common man to have a say on so many important things which he won't have access to because, say, he can't be featured in papers, he can't be featured in magazines, etc., etc. So it gives everybody a platform to voice their opinions, and this is a democracy, and in a democracy, opinions are always welcome. I've put to rest so many rumors that have come out through mediums like Twitter. I'm able to voice my opinion on various public platforms. But say the youth, for example, they have so much to say. They're so opinionated and they don't have that facility available to them. And the only way that they can vent or they can express themselves is social media. So till recently, of course, it was a totally different scenario in India where you had the option to use social media, but you were pretty much crucified for it because sometimes people are getting arrested for what they posted on Facebook. And public property was being demolished because somebody somewhere said something on some social media platform, etc., etc. So I guess I'm really happy in a way that Section 66 has now sort of been done away with, and that people have the freedom of expression. I think Alia's also really dominant on social media in various ways. She's got a huge number of followers on Ask FM and Facebook and all these different spaces. And you actually go out there and actually say a lot, right, Alia?
Yeah, I do say a lot, no matter where it is, whether it's on Facebook.
So what kind of things do you talk about? Is there anything you do that's, say, controversial?
Anything that bothers.
What bothers you?
Everything. Everything bothers me. Anything that stems from a very close-minded or judgmental perspective bothers me.
So say, for example, a lot of people speak out about government and politics, and a lot of people speak about their disdain for what's happening around them, not just in terms of in the world or the crimes or atrocities, but in Egypt, a revolution formed on Facebook, and the whole Egyptian revolution overthrowing their government, etc., happened through social media. It's a very, very powerful medium.
I make it a point to only say stuff about individuals if they do so about me first. I will never start something that's targeted towards a specific person, especially if the person has like far less followers in numbers than I do, because I feel like then my followers will have a sense of loyalty and will gang up against that person. And everyone is entitled to their own opinion, so which is basically the whole point of this whole thing. But unless the person decides to suddenly, say something directed towards me, because then I feel the need to respond to that.
Now that's fair enough. I mean, responding to somebody attacking you is fair enough, and that's the beauty of social media, that if anyone attacks you, you can respond and retaliate back.
I wouldn't start something.
You wouldn't
unless
initiate.
I really felt the need to. Unless it's something that really offended me on their page. Infer a lot about a person through what they see. So typically, if someone is, how do I sound this without saying?
So if you're posting sexy shots or glamorous shots,
you
get pictured as that kind of person.
So I get pictured as the kind of person that doesn't do anything all day and is just like very partying all the time, or is out, doing nothing productive, or someone that's really dumb.
Just excuse me one second. So 23,000 people followed you because they thought you were dumb and did nothing with your life.
Mama, Instagram is just photos. If you have nice photos, people will follow you. And that time was 20,000. Why don't you let me know?
I'm just wondering about the people.
Instagram is just photos. How can you keep your personality through photos, Mama?
I'm just wondering why 20. You said it projects an image of you. So
Mama, if someone shows you a photo of a Victoria's Secret model right now, okay? Are you gonna straight away think, oh, she must be so smart, she must have about 5 degrees under her belt? Will you look at her and say that? Will you randomly go to her and say, oh, that girl looks very smart, she looks very smart, I'm sure she's intellectually amazing. I can have a deep conversation with this woman. No, you won't. How do you know she's not a brilliant woman? You see the photo, you say that, that's it. You don't think about her that much. You see a photo, you double tap it on Instagram, you scroll down. That's all I'm saying. Wait, now let me finish.
Okay.
Let me finish. I let you talk about your full big introduction, let me talk. The problem with not having sure identity is that people think that they can get away with anything. So everyone that initially joins Ask FM, especially if they have a good amount of following from beforehand, will start getting a lot of hate to a good extent. So I started getting a lot of hate all the time, but it's never bothered me. So I was like, okay, so I kept giving it back to people in the most amazing ways. And then people started going, oh, I love your personality, I love how you just give it back to everyone, don't care about anything. So I was like, yeah, I don't care about anything. So went from being that to then them discovering that I wasn't actually dumb, that I actually did well in my studies.
Or the fact that you got a national award in art.
Okay,
or that you got all these national awards and international awards.
Okay,
I can boast forever.
Okay, stop. So,
I'm glowing about
or
it.
my perspectives on things. From my Instagram pictures, nobody thinks that I would be someone that would be socially aware, or someone that I wouldn't come across as a person that had much of a strong perspective. But I do. I have strong perspectives about everything. So ask them.
Everybody who
Get
watches
that
FM Radio knows that.
Correct. And now I've made YouTube more, like other ways to get perspectives out. So through these mediums, people have actually seen that I'm more than just pictures. And I think that's very important. I think that's a great thing that's happened.
It's so sweet, because it's like the youth want to be heard, they want to be felt in so many ways. And I think social media is a wonderful way of connecting with like-minded people, I guess, across the globe. It's no longer an insular society where you have, people just limited to the people that they meet in their own social circles. I think the social media is not just a revolution in its own way, but I think it's an amazing way to connect people, human beings, and like-minded souls. So I'm all for social media, and I'm all for the power of the internet, and I'm all for these revolutions that take place, for these revelations that take place, for the opinions that are cast across the net, and I'm just so happy 66 is gone.